May isang bata nag-aya. Tinayo, wala kami kasuot-suot ng kahit hood. Oh my God! Alam niyo kung anong temperature? 7 degrees! Grabe ka naman! Ang lakas ng trip niya.
Imagine if you fall inside the water, you will drown because it's too cold for your limbs.
Ang lakas ng trip niya.
Lakas ba?
Ang sabi niya kasi pupunta lang kami hanapin namin yung gym. So nakita namin yung gym. Ngayon, anong yung ini? Tira mo.
Let's run.
Oh my God, my hand shaking.
No, hold. I want to fucking run. No, you better put it in your pocket.
What are you doing, Mark? Bakit dinala mo ako dito sa labas? Oh my God. Okay.
I'm also shivering.
I'm trying to work my hand shaking. You know?
We are going to stay here for 1 hour.
I cannot. Okay, you try. Try to hold. No, oh my. Ay, ang lakas ng trip. Wala man lang kaming kanan, no?
Welcome to our...
Jacket lang talaga.
You want to see what I'm wearing? Let's do OOTD. OOTD for tonight.
Okay.
Socks. A bra. And then one pajama. You see,
Pajama.
it's just skin. And then a jacket. That I got from Australia also.
Oh my God. How about me? Wala man lang kayo na jacket lang talaga direct, oh. Guys, jacket na yan.
Hello! Isang layer yan! Isang layer yan. And then, sobrang pangit.
Kasi kanina, guys, nagtataka ako bakit ang lamig. Sabi ko, ang lamig-lamig naman dito. Dito sa taas. Nandun pa lang kami sila. Sabi ko, na-adjust ko ng temperature. Parang hindi naman parang ang lamig pa rin. Pagtingin namin temperature, 7 degrees. Kasi pa yung kaya So, what are you going to do now?
Should I run?
Okay, if you want to go run there, you go run. Oh my God, my hand's shaking. This is real.
Get the chance to run here. You know why? Okay, you see, guys, running in the cold, right, is actually training your lung capacity and your stamina. Because if you run in the cold, right, you tend to take more breaths, more short breaths, like you're actually running but you're not. It's just like because it's cold.
Oh my God.
So our goal is to train in the cold, diba?
Para mas gugustuhin ko na lang mainitan.
But the problem is it's too cold. Ayo, she's shaking. Okay, I'll hold. But the
kakatapos lang namin nagkape bago kami bumaba.
No, but the problem is we don't have our gear, sports attire. So like,
Ako, sinunod ko lang nag-jacket lang talaga ako. Wala akong kadamit-damit o
want to run?
Walang kadubli-dubli.
I want to run.
Ito do. Grabe ka naman, Mark. Grabing trip naman to. Guys, tignan nyo naman, gabing-gabi. Ay! Wala, iniwan na ako ni Sa. Uy, where are you going? Guys, grabe. Sobrang lakas ng trip talaga nitong isang batang to. Seryoso. Sa taas pa lang nagtataka na ako. Sabi ko, sobrang lamig naman ata. Sige, isipin natin kunwari nasa Baguio tayo.
Did you know just now when I was running, right? The smoke went in my glass. Oh, I want to video you. Like, look at her face. She's shivering in the cold. You're red. You're red.
May
Yeah. No, but because I'm moving already, it's not like it's just my lips. Are you crying? Does this feel like a punishment for you?
Tignan mo, wala akong sipon na.
Look in the camera.
Wala akong sipon pero parang feeling ko tumutuloy yung sipon ko.
You need to run. So this is 20 meters the distance here. Okay. Huy, ang pangit.
Ano?
No. I brought my phone, which means I have the workouts with me.
Aww. Kaya ko ba?
Hala, umiyak na. Ay, sus. Hala, umiyak. I brought my phone. Let's do some things in near the water.